Mandy says hi. Leopold says hi. Is it Leopold? Sorry, I'm not too sure how to pronounce. I just call it Leo. Is it okay? Hi Elizabeth. Hi Mitch. Hi Abby. Hi Jeanette. Okay, great. Hi Eric. Who is here for the first time? Who's the first time joining um our session or maybe my session? Oh, Eric. Leo too. Leo. Okay. Would you guys like to introduce yourself? You can either type, let me know who you are and what you do, and what would you like to learn. I hope I have recorded because the other time I forgotten to record. Yeah, I recorded already. Okay, if it's your first time here, just let me know in the comments. Okay, what you do. Oh, Eric is retired. Nice. How old are you, Eric? Learning to upgrade your AI skills. Okay, great, great. Wow, 71 years old. Very good. Awesome. This is the best platform to learn. Can learn a lot of things, can learn sales and marketing, AI, content creation, branding, and also learn how to build a side hustle. Or if you have your own business, you can actually learn how to scale your business. Yes. And Grace, I saw in Richfield Security. Grace, are you in the security line? Wow, Leo is in holistic medicine. Okay, 75 years old. Awesome. Wants to open an agency in holistic treatment. When you mean agency, right? Is it like a clinic kind of setup? Ah, okay. Grace says I'm in security service, providing manpower and system. Leo says marketing agency. Oh, okay. Okay, makes sense. Marketing agencies for naturopathic. I hope I get this correct. Naturopathic products. That means products that are natural in nature and also has a therapeutic effect. Am I correct? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks everyone for coming by and coming in early today. Yes. So you all going to come in early, right? Then I'll just start early also. I wouldn't waste everyone's time because it's 8 p.m. here. And this morning I just attended another course, yeah, on AI as well. So even though I'm a trainer for AI, I also attended other AI courses just to keep on upgrading myself. Yeah. So that's why today you guys will be learning firsthand what I've learned. Yes. And also you will know what's the difference between AI agents and also a chatbot. Okay. Who have actually used have not used ChatGPT or other chatbots before? Who have not used any form of AI tools, any form of AI chatbots, any form of AI apps? who have not, yeah? Seems like everyone have. Okay. Who here have used okay, maybe just let me know what you have used in the chat. Be it your ChatGPT, your Gemini, or even Grok, DeepSeek, Claude. Just type in the comments. Mitch uses ChatGPT and Tianwen, right? It's a China model. Quen, if I'm, it's by Alibaba, if I'm not wrong. Okay, great. ChatGPT. Okay. Abby used everything that I mentioned. Very good, very good. Mitch uses. Mitch says yes. Okay. What about the rest of you? Dola. Oh, Dola is if I'm not wrong, is China, right? Dola AI. Okay. Interesting. Dola is very good for medical question. Okay. Okay. How do you find out about Dola?
Dollar. Actually, previously it was like called CC. So now they changed to dollar. It's like from Douyin or something lah. Then the
Oh,
Singapore also got partnership Spring
oh,
something at the company. So recently I got some medical discomfort. Then I asked them, wow, very good, for English and Mandarin. Then ask them for like acupuncture point. They can give you very good. They can, they can say that what happened to you. They can tell you that, oh, you're not very serious. Don't worry. They will tell you if you have this problem, that is very serious because you don't have this problem. They will say like that. Then,
oh, okay,
they will
okay.
tell you, okay, you just like be mindful. If you have this and this and this, then you go and see doctor. I
Mm.
feel it's very good. Yeah. So recently I tried these few days. I tried very, very impressive. Better than doctor, to be very because
But always need to seek a second
yeah, yeah.
opinion. Yeah.
It's not doctor no good. It's like sometimes you suddenly have like very not no like uncomfortable at night. Then you
Mm-hmm.
also very lazy to go and find doctor ma. Then you ask them, they will say that, oh, your symptom is considered under control. It's not very serious because you don't have pain, you don't have no blood, no bleeding, something like that lah. They will say. They will tell you if you have this and this and this, then you go to the A&E. They will say like that. Like you feel
Uh,
very comfortable, in the midnight. You feel very comfortable. Yeah.
yeah, true, true, true. I think
Cannot,
nowadays, right, people have actually changed their behavior. Instead of seeking doctor first, then they will actually seek their chatbots.
yeah, correct.
Mm,
A lot of things to say lah, but then today is not this topic, you see. So I
mm,
think I will keep using it lah. I'll keep using
sure.
it.
Thanks for
Yeah,
sharing. Thanks
yeah.
for sharing.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. Okay, thank you. Also, okay, Amy says she has also used Dola as well. Amy. Interesting. So Dola, like what Mandy shared is from Douyin, right? Mm. So do they give like a free video generation? Because like if you all know like Seed Dance and Seed Dream, it's actually from Douyin. Yeah, so they are one of the stronger models nowadays. Yeah, because now ChatGPT Sora has actually exited the market. I think because they are losing money, so that's why they exited the market. So right now the best competitors out there are actually your Gemini and also the Seed Dance Seed Dream. Is it Seed Dance or Seed Dream? I can't remember. Which one is for image, which one is for video? Yeah, either one of them. Oh, 5 gen a day. 5 gen is in image gen or video gen? Yeah, Eric, you're correct because we can't really totally trust the AI models because AI models they are non-deterministic by nature. That means every time you ask a question, right? Or all of us, we ask this AI a question, it will not give us the same question. You'll tend to say things that just to please you or something like that. Or sometimes it could be inaccurate. Yeah. Yeah, cannot 100% rely on AI as well. Yep. So always seek a second opinion. But then for fast, yes, for fast and general understanding, yeah, yeah. Okay. So let me get to my topic today. So today we'll be talking about AI agents and why I just now I asked you guys if you have used any form of AI tools, any form of AI chatbots before, because this is the next step for your AI chatbots. Like after you have used AI chat, and then what's next? Yeah, because for AI chat, right, it's just that you are just texting and then you're getting a reply back. So this is more than that. Yeah. So first of all, what is an AI agent? So you think of it just now we mentioned about chatbots, right? Chatbots, you ask a question, it replies. Yeah. So you ask one thing, it gives you another thing back. Okay. So it's just a to and fro kind of thing. So which is just answering questions. And answering questions, right? Directly we have been having that kind of technology for a very, very, very long time. It's just that we didn't have the LLM, which is the large language model, the AI model, the brain chatbot. But and then once we ask them the same question, you will not give us the same question. Sorry, you won't give us the same answer. Yeah, that's how AI works. Okay. So a chatbot answers questions, but an AI, they do things for you. Okay. So it's like you give it a goal. Let's say, for example, we ask the AI, help me to to create a presentation, a PPT. And before that, you could give them multiple steps. Okay. So let's say, for example, help me to research on I don't know, what do I want to research? Maybe Singapore. Help me to research on the um Singapore's history and then create a PowerPoint presentation and make it in red and white color. Okay. So you give it a few steps and then it figures out the steps and also the tools to use. So when you say research, you don't need to tell it, okay, go to Google, go to Singapore website, what kind of website to research. It uses its own tools, okay, it uses its own browser, web browser, okay, or scrape the data. It depends on what it wants to do. You do not need to tell it what to do, right? So after that, it makes decisions and it keeps going until the job is done, until it has finished the research, until it has helped you to create your presentation, your PPT. And then after that, you'll vet and make sure that, oh, there's no spelling error, so on and so forth, and the data is correct, right? There's no hand holding required. So think of it like asking someone for directions versus hiring a driver. Okay. So not all agents are the same. There's a spectrum. So assisted AI agents, okay, so that means you are in the driver's seat. The agent suggests, and then you decide, right? So that's called assistant AI agent. And then we also have the semi-autonomous agent. The agent will help you to do most of the things, but then at the most critical juncture, let's say, for example, your AI is an assistant that reads your emails, okay? But it does not help you to send emails, right? So this is semi-autonomous. So you want to be the human in the loop, okay? That's what we call the HI, human in TL, okay? Human in the loop, right? HITL, human in the loop. So what I mean by that, right, is that it's not fully autonomous because by design we set it that way. Okay, by design we set it that way. Because what if your you have a very important client and then your AI agent don't know how what to send, right? Your AI agent don't know what to send. And then after that, you lost your big client just because your big client was about what your AI agent sent. So always we want to have the human in the loop, HITL. Thank you, Amy. When it comes to important things like sending emails or posting for you, okay, like posting on your social media, right? We want to be the one that is in the loop, okay? So until you are very until you have done it quite a few times, and then you trust your AI agent so much that okay, you can go now, you can be fully autonomous. Okay, you set the goal and just walk away, and the AI agent just do the job for you. So it's like running its own company. Okay, so for example, assisted, right? It's like uh intern. Okay, an intern. So intern, you sit beside, right? Sit beside the intern, and then after that, you tell the intern what to do. Okay, the intern what to do until when it goes semi-autonomous. Okay, your intern now upgrades to become a executive. Executive, certain things you still need to go through the manager, right? Yeah. So the manager will check in, okay, approve, yeah, send or don't send. Okay. And then fully autonomous is where your AI agent now becomes the manager itself. You tell it what to do. Hey, help me go and get this job done. Help me go and clinch this deal, this $1 million deal. And the manager just go and do it, right? By hook or by crook. The manager just go and do the job. And after that, hire its own people. Okay, so that's called fully autonomous. All right. And when it comes to AI agent, right, there's actually two types of agents. There's the managed agents and there's also the open source agents. So what I mean by managed agents, so AI agents, right, when it comes to managed agents, it's like when you are running on someone's infrastructure. Okay, someone's infrastructure, right? That means it's hosted by somebody else. So you just pay for the access. You just pay the monthly like subscription. Okay, like you pay $20, $30, and then they handle everything. They handle the servers, the updates, the uptime. Okay, even the LLM, everything all provided. The memory, the storage, everything provided. You don't need to do anything. Okay, whereas for open source agents, they give you the code. Nah, here's the code, but you need to fix everything yourself. So that means, right, you need to find a web host to host this open source agent, all right? And then after that, you need to have memory, give it memory. And then after that, you need to plug another LLM, which is the large language model, the AI brain, and all sorts of other tools, all right? So in the end, maybe it'll cost you even more. And if you're not highly tech savvy, then your chances of it not working will be very, very, very high. Yeah. And also you have full control, but full responsibility, as in security breaches and everything. Yeah, this is very common for when it comes to open source agents. Yeah. So neither is good or bad. It's just because due to different people, they have different needs, they have different skill sets, and what they want to do. Yeah, maybe a managed agent gives you a lot of things, but for me, maybe I don't like. I like to host it myself because I don't need all the things that the managed agent give me. Okay, so let's take for example your Manus, right? So Manus is an AI agent. Who has heard of Manus before? Just give me a one. Type one in the chat. Okay, great. So who has used Manus before? Type me in the chat. Oh, Derek has used Manus before. Mitch. Okay, great. Not a lot. Yeah, it's a AI agent. It's what we call a managed AI agent. Yeah. So you just need to pay. Yeah, you need to pay. Yes. But today, if you create a new account with me, right? So later I'll pass you all the link. Then you'll get free credits to try to test it out. Okay. So the good part of it is that you don't need to do any setup. You just need to sign on and you are good to run on its own. And it gives you everything. Yeah, your AI model, everything is there. Yeah. And all your tools are already there, all connected. The memory and everything else. Yeah. So that's the upside. And you don't need to do any patch, no need to do any updates, constant updates. Excuse me. If you're running your own AI agent, open source, and then you need to do your own updates. Yeah. So the downside, right, is that you are just renting a server space from this AI managed agent. Okay. And then the price, if it goes up, then you just have to pay more. Lor. Yeah. And then later you go through their servers, right? And you can only do, you're only limited to what the platform allows you to do. And the code is closed source, it's not open source, right? So you can't say, well, I'll just take my whole entire setup and then I want to port it over to another company to migrate over to another AI agent. No, you can't, right? But it's best for people who don't want to figure out how to fix things, okay? And just want results fast, just want to work on things fast, okay? So that's managed agent. And open source agent, who has heard of OpenClaw and Hermes agent? Have you heard of Hermes agent? No, if you heard of OpenClaw, type 1. If you heard of Hermes agent, type 2. Okay. I see a lot of ones. Wow, Derek, 1 and 2. Wow, seems like Derek is as hardcore as me. I haven't used. Okay, so what is OpenClaw and Hermes agent? So they are simply what we call open source AI agents. And it comes, you need to install it. Okay. So first of all, you need to find a hosting. You need to host either in your computer or on the cloud, on a VPS, right? So after that, after you host this code, right? So it's literally code that you need to host it somewhere live. And then after that, you need to configure it. You need to get your own LLM, your AI. Okay. So either you can get your AI from your Open API, yeah, Open AI API, or you can use other models. Yeah. And then after that, you still need to configure, you still need to link up all the tools. Yeah. And sometimes it breaks. Not sometimes, many times it will break. So 70% of the time you just spend fixing, troubleshooting. Yeah. For the first 1 to 2 weeks, I would say. Yeah. Unless you have experience in already setting up. So this shouldn't be a very difficult for you. Yeah. So the good point is that now you own everything, right? You own the code because the code is open source, right? So when it's open source, that means you are able to do things, you're able to modify the code, or you're able to add new things, customize the code as you wish, right? So it's fully customizable and you can connect it to anything that you want. You can do 1001 things, right? Have as many workflows as you can, right? And there's no recurring platform. The only fees pay are your LLM. Okay. So some of us we use our coding plan for have your open API, your ChatGPT, then get the API from it and then to your OpenClaw or connect to your Hermes agent. Yeah. If you ask a question, open source will need coding. Actually, you don't need to code. Yeah, because the code is already provided. Yeah. Just that if you need to do some troubleshooting, right? Sometimes you need to do troubleshooting in the terminal itself. Okay, in the terminal. Are those robots created in China using no lah? Is well, OpenClaw or Hermes? No, no. They have their own proprietary software because to use robots created in China by all these open source models, open source AI agents will be dangerous. Yeah. Because what if there's a lot of security breaches? Yeah. So in fact, right, for OpenClaw has this skills where it's skills like what I mentioned last time, right? My last training, I told you guys about skills. So skills is nothing but just a whole series of workflows and instructions. Yeah, that is like a manual, kung fu manual that you give to your AI agent. Yeah. So for OpenClaw, right, they have this skills hub, which I think called skills hub. Or yeah, I think it's called skills hub. It's very dangerous, as in more than 50% of the skills inside, right, have some form of a prompt injection or malicious tools inside, hiding inside. Yeah. So I don't think they are using Hermes or OpenClaw. Yeah. Because they will need to wire too much things. So I think they actually created from scratch. I'm not too sure. Yeah. So the downside is that, as I mentioned, it takes a lot of time to to fix things up and also technical knowledge. And you're responsible if let's say there's a what kind of breach, right? If you are sharing passwords on with your OpenClaw or with your Hermes agent, there might be a chance where it will leak, right? And you can't find any support. There's just community support. You can just go to forums, go to Reddit, and ask people. But there's no helpline, no email support. Yeah. So it's actually best for developers or technically confident users or anyone who needs deep customization, right? So here's a head-to-head comparison. So for managed agent, right, usually it's set up in minutes. You just need to configure, just need to put our email address, our password, and that's all. And then we just create an account. Yeah. At most, you put your payment details. That's it. And after that, you can just use the AI agent from the get-go. Right? Whereas open source, it'll take hours to set up, 2 days. And technical skill required for managed agent is super low. I would say like zero. Yeah. The only thing you need to know is what is API keys and how to find API keys, or even MCP servers. That's it. For open source, agents is medium to high, technical skill level required. And the costing for your managed agent is subscription based. Yeah. But there's a lot of managed AI agents out there right now, I believe. So you can always go and compare and always do a free trial. Yeah. So later we'll try to play around with the free trial version. And for open source, you need to host it yourself, either host it on computer or host it on the cloud. I would advise to host on your computer if you are not technical. Yeah, even myself, I don't host any AI agents on my computer. Customization for managed agent is limited to the tools that is provided, but nowadays they have actually a lot of tools that are connected already, so not so bad. Yeah, but let's say we're talking about unlimited kind of customization, open source is the way to go. Yeah, and data privacy, it depends on the provider. And now usually all the managed providers, right, they will have some sort of a industry standard security policies. You can go and check on all these security policies, right? And see how your data, how the AI is using your data or whatever. Yeah. So for some of, let's say you're on a paid plan, right? Usually when you're on a paid plan, your data will not be used to train. Yeah. Let's take, for example, ChatGPT training of data. ChatGPT, see here. Okay, so you see, this is a business plan. So business plan, it says that no training on your data, SAML security. I believe this is like an industry standard, like your ISO kind of thing. SAML, I'm not too sure what's this. So if you're on the free plan, you are the product. That's how other people are saying. Chat GPT free plan training of your data. Okay. But you can always opt out. I say I go to Chat GPT. Settings. All right. And then under settings, you go to, is it security? Let me see. Settings, go to data controls. Data controls, right? So under data controls, over here, do you see? Improve the model for everyone. Yes? So by default, right, this is turned on. So you can turn off everything. Understand? If you understand, type 1 in the chat. So even for Claude, right, if you go to Claude, it's the same thing as well. You go to, if you have Claude, you go to settings, and then you go to, okay, privacy, they'll say how we protect your data, how we use your data, right? Under privacy settings, under privacy settings, right? When you go to settings under privacy over here, you see help improve Claude. This by default is also turned on, so it just toggle off. Yeah. Leo, for my ChatGPT is free subscription. I only pay for I call that Claude. Yeah, only pay for Claude. Because I find that I gravitate towards Claude more. But since I'm doing more things with Claude. So ChatGPT for me, I just use it um, as a chatbot. Yeah, for now. I do more things on Claude. Yeah. You can look at my previous training. They are all uploaded on Podia. So I've actually touched quite a bit on how to use Claude, even the Claude design, how do you design a website with Claude? Yeah. And also co-work, how do you use co-work So co-work is basically an extension in Claude itself where it can be able to help you to manage your files, do things on your computer, and also do things on your browser. Yeah, so it's for non-coders. And if you are building something, right, like an application, web application, mobile application, you can actually use Claude Code. So Claude Code is a coding assistant. Yeah, by just typing using natural language. You do not need to know any code. Yeah. So this is why a lot of software engineers they find that their jobs are actually being taken because of all these coding agents. All these coding agents are can do things so fast and so accurate right now. Yeah. So last time when you want to do like a MVP, right, it takes you like maybe 3 to 6 months or even 1 to 2 years before even having a minimal viable product. But nowadays you can be able to do it in hours. Yeah, hours. You can if you know what you're building, yeah, and get something done within a day. So that's why we are here to learn how we can be able to be more profitable and more productive by using AI, with using AI. Okay. Okay. So that's for speed and simplicity and flexibility and control. All right. So what is Manus? So today we'll be going to talk about Manus. So Manus, fun fact, is actually built by a Chinese team. Okay, in early 2025, they are one of the first that came up with this AI agent concept that has its own computer, own cloud computer. It is able to browse the web. Even if you close your computer, right, it can still do things for you. So that's the beauty of an AI agent, where you just give it a go, it just do everything for you, right? And after that, give you an output that is what you want. That's what we call by AI agent. So you give it in plain English, just natural language, and then it spins out a browser. It helps you to write code, build website, help you to search the web, and fill up forms as well. Like it's using your computer, but it's not. It's using its own cloud computer. Okay, and after that, it delivers like an output. So without you even clicking a single thing, right? Unless it has actually reached a roadblock. Oh, like that means it needs to sign up, sign in, and then after that, you will take over the browser and take over the computer and just do the sign in. And after that, it will continue on its own again. Yeah. And just like I mentioned, early 2025, right? So by China team. And now they are HQ in Singapore. Uh, their headquarters is in Singapore. Yeah. It's because they are actually acquired by Meta. Okay. So they are acquired by Meta recently this year. And then the Chinese government, right? If you read the news, Chinese government has actually thinking of blocking the deal because China government wants to keep all the tech and the people and the technology, everything infrastructure in China, doesn't want to export. Yeah. So yeah, it's actually become like a political kind of war happening here as well. So when people say that when there's a news saying that Singapore has the highest number of people who are using AI, right? So I think I'm not too sure because a lot of people in China, they actually use VPN to Singapore, and then they subscribe to Claude or whatever kind of other AI tools. So that could be the case. Yeah. Is Manus expensive to use? Later we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Okay, so what are the things that people have done on Manus? So you can research your topic. So Manus is one of the very few AI agents, right, where you can help you to research on topics and you can ask you to go Reddit and then you won't be blocked. Yeah. Can try later. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Right. and it come up with produce a full report with full verifiable sources. And then after that, you can build a functional website just from a brief. You can scrape data from multiple sites and then compile into a spreadsheet. So that's some example of the use case. You can ask it to fill up online forms and submit applications on your behalf. You can write and debug code and can plan a trip itinerary with live pricing. Okay. So this is the use case. What other use case? Competitor research report. If, for example, you say research the top 10 AI productivity tools, compare their pricing, features, yada yada, something like that. Okay, so let's try. I give you, make sure you have not signed up with your email before. Okay, I'll just give everyone this link. Yeah, must be a new account. Okay, all of you, you can sign up with your new account. Yeah, Claude can do all that, right? But Claude, it does not have its own computer. It uses your own computer and it uses your own browser. It does not have its own browser. Yeah. So that means I can pass to to Claude to help me to do research. It uses my computer. And once I turn off my computer and you stop working, right? But for Manus, you just keep on working, even if I just turn off my computer. After you have signed up, then we'll run through how to use it and then the various kind of use cases that you can try. After you have signed up, right, with this code, then you let me know if you get the 500 extra credits. And then after that, I'll give you another link where you can get, I think, 3,000 credits to 4,000 credits. Let me know once you have signed up, then you just type in the chat, type OK in the chat. You can get the link from the chat. I'll just type in the chat. Oh, sorry. The extra 3,000 credits expire already. So now we only get 500 credits. But 500 credits is enough as a start. Yeah, Grace. Free trial. You just need to sign up from my link. So you get free credits. Okay, yeah, if you sign up, then you can go inside. You'll see a similar screen. Let me just make it kind of white. Light. Okay. So you'll see over here, free plan. And then what is the credits that you have? I think it's 800 credits. Oh, sorry. Let me share my screen. Okay, share my screen. Oh, 1,005. Nice. Okay. All right, so this is the interface that you will see when you go in. And by the way, Manus has also a mobile app, so you can actually link the same your same email address, right? Just link up the same email address, and then it will use you can see all the chat history from here. So you can manage from your phone or from the website. Yeah. Okay, let me know if y'all are facing any issues. Oh, Grace, can free trial, but there's no sign-in portion. Usually nowadays, right, you can sign in via your Gmail, via Google account. So use your Google account to sign for the free trial and sign in. Okay, so you see this on the top. Oh, ask to verify number, but when I enter, it says verification sending code failed. Oh, really? Um, Mandy, do you face such situations when it comes to, was there any phone verification, Mandy?
Asked to verify my phone number, but what is his problem? Because they got asked me to like for the Gmail, like okay, I think I got one account, so I use another account. Then it was okay. It was okay. They just asked me to verify my another Gmail account. That's all.
Oh,
Verify, yeah, unless it's about the Gmail that he is talking about, that they
mm,
asked me to verify. Yeah,
verify phone number.
yeah.
Oh, you have used the phone number before to sign up?
I use one account. So now I use another account.
Oh,
Another account, then they asked me to verify because of the Gmail. Like usually they will ask, right, when you forget password. So I don't
mm,
know whether his question is it about the Gmail.
okay.
Ah,
Okay. Thank you. Thank you,
okay.
Mandy.
Okay.
Okay, Leo is in. You can see the control panel. Do you see this dashboard? I think, or maybe you might have the onboarding questions. Yeah. I don't think I have actually been asked to do any phone verification before because my phone is not tied. My phone number is not tied to this account. Don't see anything here. Yeah. So what I did, right, was when I sign up, I just sign up via my Google. Okay, if it makes sense. Okay. So when you're in this dashboard, right? So this is what we call the dashboard. You see over here on top, right? There's minus 1.6 Pro Max, but this is for Pro, which is a paid plan. And then another one which is minus 1.6 without the Pro. And also we are using this minus 1.6 Lite. So this is a lightweight agent for everyday tasks. You'll use 50% less fewer credits, but also means that its output might not be the best output that potentially can give us, right? But it's okay because since right now we just want to try. Yeah. So it's very simple. Once you're in, so it's like any form of chatbot, but just that it has its own like what I mentioned earlier on, right? Has its own mini computer. Okay. So let's do some activity. Okay. Let's say for example, um, find 10 B2B SaaS companies in Singapore and compile their LinkedIn pages and founding year. Okay, so we are giving it a series of prompts and then give me in a mm, present presentation PPT format. Okay. If you have certain use case that you want to try, you want to do research, so you can use it to do research for you. Okay, can try. As you can see in the background, it's actually doing a thinking. So you see the arrow over here, 1/4, you can click and then you see the steps. So your steps, right, might be different from mine. So some of you might have 3 steps, some of you might have 5 or 6 steps, some of you might be the same. Yeah, but it's different. It's just the AI model is never been consistent one. Yeah, so but it's okay. So you see the progress, the research progress is doing the thinking. And then the second step is you prepare the slide content outline. Third is you will generate the PowerPoint presentation. And fourth, it will deliver the final presentation to the user. Okay. So just like I mentioned the difference, right, between Claude and also Manus is that Claude, right, uses its own computer. You see? So now it's going to websites, it's going to a few websites, it's searching. It's not touching my computer. Yeah. But if you're using like Claude co-work, right? Or even ChatGPT agent, it will use your computer instead. You take over your computer and do things for you. And this is live, so you can see what it's doing. So if you see below, right, it's now a second step. It's preparing the slide outline, the slide content. That means today, if I turn it off, I switch off my computer, and then I go out, and then I use my mobile app, and I'll see that the task will be delivered to me, even though I just switch it off. Yeah. Because it's not using my computer. Okay, so you can see what it's doing. And now it's on step 3, okay, which is generating your slide, your PowerPoint slide, optimizing the slide height. Let's give it another task. Okay, anyone looking for jobs? Anyone? You're looking for jobs? Can try this. I'm applying to this company, research about them. So we give you another task. I'm applying to this company. Stripe as an AI consultant. Ah, maybe they'll hire AI strategists. And then probably I want to give more context. Maybe give it my LinkedIn profile. Here's my LinkedIn profile for more context. Okay. Ah, okay, free. Well, so that means we can only have one task at any point of time. We cannot run concurrent task. And if you are on the paid plan, I'm sure you can. So just now someone was asking me about a paid plan. How much is it? So this is $20 USD, 20 USD, around $30, right? Or less than $30. So it gives you 300 refresh credits every day and 4,000 credits per month. And credits, right? Every task you do will will cost credits. Yeah. So it's just like tokens. When you understand about AI, it's all about tokens. So tokens and credits similar. And what are some of the things that you can do? You can do in-depth research. That means you will do more deeper research for you. And it'll take a longer time. And building professional websites for standard output, generate slides. But on a free plan, you can already generate slides. Yeah. Task scaling with wide research. Early access to beta features. And okay, it can run 20 concurrent tasks. That means you can multitask. And also it can do scheduled tasks. So that means, right, if today I I'm looking for a job, okay, but I can't be on the job boards everywhere and seeking the same job, right? So let's say, for example, I'm looking for AI strategist job. So I will tell the AI, okay, every morning at 10 a.m., help me go to all the job boards and look for AI related openings. I only want openings that are fresh, that is less than 24 hours. And then after that, help me to craft a cover letter based on my profile and customize my email. So imagine what it can do for you, how much time you can save, right? For you to customize, I don't know for you, but for me to customize my own resume and also write my own cover letter from scratch and to find an appropriate job that I want, job matching, it'll take me hours just to do a few, just to submit a few. Yeah. But now this one can be automated. So this is just one of the tasks. Another task is if you are running your own company and you have your competitors, right? So you want to do some competitor analysis. So how do you find out about your competitor news? Let me know in the chat. How do you find out what your competitor are doing? If you today you want to spy on your competitors, ask Manus or Claude. But before Manus and Claude, how would you spy on your competitors and see what your competitors are doing? Google. Yeah. So you will either Google and look at your competitors, see if there's any news, any industry news, right? Any mentions about your competitors' new product launch, right? Or if you go to social networks, you go to Facebook, you go to Instagram, TikTok, 小红书, all these channels, and you go and see what is their latest product news, or you see if they are running ads. So that's how you spy on your competitors. So right now you can just use Manus to do all this. Okay. About the security and compliance, SOC Type 2. Okay, this is a industry standard certifications. So just now I mentioned about autonomous, right? So it's an autonomous AI agent platform. It does things for you, complex tasks, and delegate workflows such as data analysis, Content creation and research to AI agents that plan complete tasks without constant supervision. So that's the key thing. So it has ISO certified, okay, for maintaining an effective information security management system. So this is for managing and protecting personally identifiable information. As audit, SOC 2 Type 1, SOC 2 Type 2 audit. So if you are working in a company, right, and you have IT policies, you want to make sure that your IT department, they are in trend of what's happening in the AI industry, right? So once they're in trend, then after that, they need to know, understand the technologies that lie within and the security implications before they can even come up with any kind of policy. And then after that, find out what are the things that are already happening in terms of compliance, the industry standards, before making a decision whether, okay, do we use this or we don't use this, something like that. Otherwise, it's very hard for them to implement their IT policies because the IT policies could be like donkey years ago. Whereas this AI has only been just 3 years. Okay, so I think our task should be done. Let's take a look. Okay, it's done. Okay, I'll just close this. And then over here, I've completed research, presentation, or you can view the presentation. Thing is that you can be able to edit on the fly. Okay. Okay, so these are the top 10 B2B SaaS companies in Singapore. Okay, all right. So, hey, come they got cut off. The word is like a bit weird. Across then after that, suddenly, I think the paragraph is a bit weird. Maybe make it smaller. Okay, okay, it got cut off. 16. Okay, now I can see. All right, Ahrefs. Okay, Ahrefs is a SEO tool. PetSnap tracks retail analytics. Vincier, Recruitment OS. Nobi, mobile first micro learning space. Oh, interesting. In Mind Cloud, manufacturing CPQ. Okay, helps manufacturers increase their win rates, reduce sales cycle times. Referral Candy, yeah. Referral Candy is e-commerce. Yeah, this I heard before. Referral Candy. Sales Wheel, AI sales assistant. Okay, one of the few Southeast Asian startups to graduate from Y Combinator. Nice. Zuzu Hospitality. Staple AI. Document automation. Who thinks this is not bad? Good. I'm sure if you have the I'm sure if you have the paid plan, right? I think the quality will be better. Yeah. Very thorough, right? So why is it so thorough? Actually, we can see from from here. Let's see if I'm able to see. Okay. Actually, you can see from here what it did. So it went to extract, it found, it went to search with LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is very famous for blocking bots. Yeah, if you ever do research, you try to use Claude or use ChatGPT, right? I ask you to go to LinkedIn and find you things. Sure got blocked. Sure get blocked one. Okay. But for Manus, no. Yeah. See, surprisingly. Then they are able to go inside and extract the details, they crawl for you as well. And then they are able to search for LinkedIn pages and do everything on LinkedIn. Yeah. Not too bad. Let's give another task. Okay. All right. There's AI strategies. Okay, so this is another task. I'm applying to this company Stripe as an AI strategist. Research them, find the hiring manager's LinkedIn, summarize their recent news, and draft a personalized cover letter. You may refer to my profile. Can you tell me how many steps is inside my prompt? How many steps? Four steps. Okay, let's take this, right? Let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, and then we go to Claude. 4 to 5 steps. Okay. So this is Claude. It's a paid plan, yeah? And this is ChatGPT. Immediately you tell me, I cannot reliably identify the specific hiring manager. Okay. For practical approach, apply through Scribe. Search LinkedIn. Ask me to do things. It cannot do things for me. If it can't do things for me, how can it be an AI agent? But it gave me cover letter. You can try. Just use the same prompt and try. ChatGPT immediately rejected me. How about Claude? Let's see. Okay. So Claude is running this in parallel. So the smart thing about Claude, right, is it will spin off sub agents to do things. So it's actually multitasking, right? Finding the hiring manager and pulling out my LinkedIn profile simultaneously. Okay, it got my pro. Okay, what else? Now it says that, okay, is this correct? Hit our data and AI at Stripe. Yes. Recent news. Okay, there's a cover letter. And let me from here. Okay, Seth Berman. He had another person, Emily Glassberg, sent. Whereas this is Seth Berman, okay, which is the head of growth marketing who's leading the new AI acceleration team. So which one do you think is a more potential hiring manager? Someone who is the head of data and AI, or someone who is a head of growth marketing who is leading the new AI acceleration team? So Manus is actually finding a job application also, yeah? It's finding the job, which is the AI strategist role, which is called the Forward Deployed AI Accelerator. So this is the report that he gave me. You can find the full report and the cover letter in the attached document. Okay, so this is the hiring manager, right? Is leading the AI acceleration team at Stripe. He recently posted about hiring for forward deployed AI accelerators, which is Stripe's unique take on the AI strategist role. This team is tasked with embedding AI system thinkers within teams to rebuild workflows from the ground up, and other key AI leaders at Stripe, the Chief Revenue Officer of AI, and Emily Sands. So Emily Sands is another person, but explicitly, because this Seth Berman is actually hiring. So Manus got the context right, which is someone that's hiring. Okay, so this is much more accurate. And also about the Stripe news. Okay, Stripe has positioned itself as the economic structure for the AI era. Yeah. So the next upcoming thing, right, is the infrastructure, the payment infrastructure layer for AI agents to AI agents, right? So what that means, right, is that in the very near future, our AI agents will be doing the shopping on our behalf. That means you'll be issuing its own credit card. Has its own bank account, its own credit card, its own payment gateway, and it will do shopping on your behalf, and even upgrade itself, like paying for APIs and paying for what kind of upgrades installs. So this is the transactional layer that Stripe is now building. Okay, we'll be seeing it maybe in another 1 more or 2 years. They will roll out. Yeah. Yeah. So you see, wallet for agents. So wallet is like your bank account for agents. Yeah. So now there's no human intervention. There's no leak of your security card or whatever, right? Your AI agents will have its own wallet, right? Okay. And these are the reports, some of the things that you can read. And also there's a draft. Hey, let's see the draft. Dear Seb, I've recently followed your announcement, blah, 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 throughout my career. Okay. See let me see the cover letter over here. Actually, um, Claude also can write very well. Just that over here, right, the research is more concrete, is more fact-based. As in, it does more research. Okay, what else can we do? Travel and event planning. Okay. Who's traveling? Anyone traveling in June? Ah, Mandy, you're in the travel industry. Okay. So that means next time if I want to book air tickets, is it cheaper to book from you?
A very good question, but actually there are license to control, so we cannot handle. Actually, now you go to those apps like
Trip.com.
Sky Scanner or whatever all
Yeah.
the reliable one they are cheaper.
Even cheaper lah.
Yeah, because now
Uh,
the travel agent it's not like it's not like last time already. Last time people used to book from travel agent
yeah.
now there's no more goodies already.
Oh, okay.
In fact, it's a sunset trade already.
Mm.
Sunset trade, yeah, because now we can only handle like those group like you come to Chinatown, then we'll bring you to see Chinatown. Last time we can handle like whole package like you come 4 day, right? Then we plan everything for you. So now we only can plan like one location, or something special like you visit HDB
Oh.
because this like because all the disruption the AI disruption. That's why the travel agent also got hit, got
Mm.
affected. Yeah, this is what I can share So if you want to buy the air tickets go to those reliable apps They can sell very cheap, or just go directly to like airlines.
Then,
SIA, go directly. Yeah, better. Or
yeah.
Scoot airline, just go directly and buy cheaper.
Ah, I see. Okay. Thank you so much for the
Okay,
tips.
okay.
Yeah, because I see some of the airlines, right, especially like SIA, like they will try to do a sale. Yeah, so some of the sale could be quite good. Okay, let's do this. Plan a 3-day business trip to Tokyo. I need flights from Singapore on 15 July, a hotel near Shinjuku under $200 a night, a daily schedule meetings, the morning culture. Um, Present this to me in a web page, an interactive web page. So now it's doing things in the background, searching for flights and hotels. Yeah. I think nowadays all the ChatGPT, your Claude or Gemini can all do this, right? So this like nothing special. Maybe the only things you can see his computer, see what it's doing, you see? It's using its own Chrome browser. Okay, now it actually found something. It's compiling the content, the structure. Oh, okay. So it's asking me to upgrade Twilight anyway. See the references it gave me. Yeah. And also you're able to connect apps. So just like your other AI tools, right? You also allows you to connect to all these apps. It can access the web on your browser, your own browser. You can control your own browser on your behalf. I think if you have some proprietary information that maybe, or maybe some of the accounts that are actually signed on, you don't want to sign up on their browser, you want to sign up, you already sign up on your own browser, right? So you have something that you want them to use right on your browser, then you can use this. And you can connect to Gmail or Instagram, Meta Ads Manager. And why can connect to Instagram or Meta Ads Manager is because it has been sold to Meta. That's why. Uh, so you see your Instagram and it can generate and publish posts, but you must have a internet Instagram professional account. So professional account is free. You just need to convert from your personal account to professional account. That's all. Okay. And then here's some of the example prompts. You can write and schedule a friendly Instagram. Okay, later we can do this. Let me see if I have enough credits. Okay, go back. Go back to Manus. Yes. So over here on the top right corner, right, you'll see this star and then also this number. So this digit is your free credits. Yeah. And then after that, you go to usage. Okay, you click on usage, view usage, you can see the credits. How much credits did it consume? So just now when I was looking for the SaaS companies, right, via LinkedIn, okay, you use 200 time worked, the pages viewed, commands run, API called, files created. So you can see what it did and how long did it do that. Yeah. So everyone will have different costing. It's just because this is the nature of the AI's behavior. Right, it's still building in the background. So when it comes to building website, you'll consume more credits. That's for sure. Whatever kind of tools that you use, if you are generating like a document, you consume certain number of credits. And then if you are building like a slide, okay, PPT, or you're building a website, you consume more credits. Okay. I want to show the Instagram. Let me just connect, see if I'm connected. Okay. This is my test account. Okay, it's still building the website. Let me come back quickly. I'll just grab my power cable. So meanwhile, if you want to go for a break, right, you can go for a quick toilet break. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so the website is done. Modern minimalist with Japanese Zen influence for my Tokyo business trip itinerary webpage. What is included? Flight information, visual design, custom. Okay, let's see. Um, preview. Share. Okay, publish. So you see, my website is now published. It's already hosted by Manus. How easy is it? I just need to create, and then after that, just click on publish, and now it's published over here. Okay, and if I don't like the domain, right, I want to customize domain. I just need to edit URL. But edit URL, this is a premium feature. I can't do it. Otherwise, I can edit URL. Okay, and then if you want to connect to your domain, you can just connect to your own domain over here. But it needs to upgrade, right? You need to upgrade them before you can do it. So every time you need to update your website, you just need to go here and just type to edit your website. Okay, let's see the website. Okay, so this is the flight details. So cheap, $190 one way. But I believe there's um no luggage, no check-in baggage, and there's no food, no Zip Air because it's a budget airline. Has anyone taken Zip Air before? Home accommodation. Yeah, notice it just gave me Singapore to Tokyo. It did not give me Tokyo to Singapore. Okay, so 3-star hotel, 4-star hotel. 3-day itinerary. Hey, uh, this link is missing. This link is okay. Business meeting, Shibuya crossing, Harajuku. What? These two buttons. These two button doesn't work. Okay. I think maybe I'm on the light plan. So Manus Light, right? It is just lightweight for everyday tasks. It's not meant for to do all this website building. Yeah. But on a free plan, what can I complain? Okay, next, let's look at the what it can do with the Meta ecosystem. So just now I connected to my what is it? Oh, is it connected to my Instagram already? Not yet. Try it out. Yeah, Jaina. So itinerary you can actually share with your family members. So the last time I went to Shanghai, right? I actually built up a web application. The other time I built with Google AI Studio. So I had like draggable cards. So each itinerary is a card by itself, each location, and then you can just drag. So I gave everyone, our friends. the access, and then they could actually customize and add new cards or help me drag the cards as well. Yeah. So these are the kind of things that you can do. So last time you still need to download the app. Last time I was using this app called Tripit, but it does not have a lot of customization if you're on a free tool, on a free plan. Okay. So, oh, you gave me a document, right? So what you can do, you can create Instagram. There's a demonstration. You can read my posts. Nice. Look at my current Instagram. Check out, identify, identify my competitors, my top five competitors, and also propose, also learn from their best posts and steal ideas, content ideas from them, and give me five suggested posts in a carousel and single post format. Then give me the visuals prompt, and maybe it can give me the visuals. I think it can generate, give me the visuals, images, and for IG captions. Put everything into a table format. Yep. No, I'm just trying. I just say, look at my current Instagram, identify top five competitors, and also learn from their best posts and steal content ideas from them, and give me five suggested posts in carousel and single post format. Then give me the visuals, as in the images and the IG captions, and finally put everything in a table format. I'm very greedy, yeah. I like to put everything, cram everything together and try to see what the AI agent can do. Okay? Because the AI agent is meant to do multitasking, right? It's meant to do multi-step. So you do not need to keep on prompting, right? And you see, my prompt is not maybe not the best prompt, but it works. And sometimes if it do not work for the first time, it's okay. You just need to tweak. Okay, let's peep at its computer. Ah, what's doing? Oh, it's already at stage 3. That's fast. And maybe because it's a lightweight model, so it's not doing a lot of deep research for you. So if you don't like to meddle with Claude, you can just use this. Subscribe to Manus, just connect to your Instagram. And once you are happy with the result, then you can ask it to, you can build scheduled tasks. So every week, right, you can ask it to plan the whole week's content or maybe help you to post every day. Yeah. But for the first few posts, I would suggest you to post yourself. Otherwise, Instagram or other kind of social media posts, right? Social media platforms, they will always detect you as a bot. Yeah. And how do they detect you as a bot? Because once you log in, right, they'll detect, okay, this person just logged in and then after that post and nothing was done. He or she is not scrolling. Yeah, does not have the natural human behavior when it comes to scrolling, commenting, liking posts. So they have all sorts of things to detect whether you are bot or not. Lor. So if you are new, then you can, if your account is new, right, then you can just ask it to save as a draft. Yeah. You see, actually, it's generating images for you. Yeah, so that's the good thing, as compared to using Claude, because Claude does not have image generation, and Manus it's using ChatGPT's, I believe it's using ChatGPT's image generation. Although Claude can also give you very good designs, but then they are usually like codes built from codes. Yeah, built from your HTML. Jaina, so you mentioned about the buffer, right? Scheduling. Okay, so buffer, that means you can schedule one shot, right? And buffer can help me to optimize, give suggest optimized times on when to post. So that's an how you can be able to scale. And then the difference between using Manus and buffer, right? Manus has this scheduled task, okay, but Manus you cannot say one shot I want to schedule like 10 posts. Yeah. So when it comes to social media content posting, if you're just posting like a one-off kind of thing, then you can use um this scheduled task. Yeah. Or otherwise it can be like um schedule every day. Yeah. So scheduling over here, right, can mean a lot of things. It can even mean research. Yeah. Like doing research. That means every morning at 10 a.m. help you to do research on your competitors' Instagram. Mm. So buffer is only good at one thing, which is scheduling. But for this scheduled task, you can do lot of things, multiple things. It's different. Yeah. Yeah, scheduled task. So when it comes to scheduled task, right, you can do all sorts of tasks that you want. Okay, after we see this example, and then we'll wrap up, and then after that we will go to our hot seat. Oh, okay, Grace. Your example of Manus can compile fresh jobs openings for job seekers. Can I get fresh candidates who apply for security officers daily from various sources? So that means you want to find a resume database. You can only access if you have access to JobStreet database, and then you can go inside, right, and search for Singaporean candidates, then yes. Yeah. And yes, you can compile the fresh job openings. Yeah. But you can't find the Singaporean candidate resume profile on public unless you're logged in to JobStreet. Then you can search for the resumes. So Grace, if you are doing a BD, right? So you might want to find fresh job openings. security job openings from all the sources, and then every day to compile a list of openings and then help you to craft emails, write to them. Yeah. So if unless you are a recruiter, you are like a high level or mid tier kind of recruiter, and your candidates they are hanging out on LinkedIn. So that's where you can be able to hit hunt them using a certain maybe just feed in the JD, right? Right, to tell your AI and your Manus, for example, okay, go to LinkedIn and find me candidates that suit this JD, something like that, and help me connect with them or do a report, right? So do a report then with all the LinkedIn profile links where you can vet after that, or maybe give you a score, suitability score out of 10 based on whatever kind of things that you see, right, on their LinkedIn profile. Because nowadays people they write their LinkedIn profile like their it's like writing their resume. So you are able to see all this public information from there. But I believe on a free trial, I mean on a free LinkedIn plan, right? There's only a limit. You can see first and second connection. Your third connection is you need to pay for a third connection. So if those people who are doing headhunting, they don't mind hiring. No, they don't mind paying for the LinkedIn subscription. And this is where you can be able to automate things even further by using AI agents. So another thing that you can do with this agent, right, this Manus, is that you can deploy with WhatsApp. Yeah, you can deploy with WhatsApp. Let's see. Oh, WhatsApp not yet, huh? Okay, but they put WhatsApp over here. Oh, coming soon. WhatsApp and Messenger. You can deploy with Telegram, Line, and Slack. So I would think that Telegram is one of the safest because Telegram, there is no phone numbers. Yeah. So you can just use your Telegram and chat with this Manus. Mm. Okay, it's still generating posts, huh? Using GPT image too. Yeah, correct lah. It's using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is the commercial product. So GPT is the model itself. Are you all learning new things so far? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I think we can come back later. Let's first start with our let me see what else I have in my training notes. Okay, so this is the pattern across all use case. So every use case follow the same sort of pattern. A task that requires multiple sources goes to multiple places to research and multiple steps. So you see just now when I was prompting the Manus, right? I give it multiple steps. It asks you to do multiple things. And also a finished output. Like I want that my output in a presentation, PPT, a website, something like that. Yeah. So if you are doing like simple single question and answer, so you can just use a chatbot. Okay, any chatbot like your ChatGPT, your Claude, Gemini, Grok, Dola, everything is fine. Okay, but let's say you want to do multiple tasks where it requires thinking and doing things, processing in the back end, especially in terms of using its own computer or using its own browser. That's where you need an AI agent to do things for you. Okay, so you can always run similar prompts. You can test it out and see if it works. Okay, so just now we did the right. So when you want to test out on different agents, AI agents, you want to see how does it break the task into steps. So you can see okay, step one, step two, step three, or sometimes even step four, step five, and which tool does it reach for first, and how does it self-correct, or does it get stuck, and how does the output compare amongst all the other AI tools that you're using. Okay. So next for you is that you can find one task that you currently have something. Usually we want to find the hardest thing that is going on in your life right now, the most difficult thing, or the most boring thing that you hate to doing. Like maybe let's say bookkeeping, accounting, or taking receipts or whatsoever. So you just find one task and run it and see if it breaks. Okay, and after that try to fix it back. So that's how you learn things fast, by doing. Okay, not by consumption, right? If you consume and you don't get to learn. Yeah, so the fastest way is actually to break things and then you repair. So Claude, some people will ask, okay, so Claude, is it an agent? So Claude by itself is a language model. Okay, Claude is a language model itself. So Claude, it has Opus, the model. Okay, it has Sonnet, it has Haiku, right? So all these models, it helps you to answer right reasons. Okay, but if let's say we put this Claude into the harness, into the Claude AI, which is the chat model, so you type, it responds. Yeah. So Claude, now it can also be connected to tools. It can use tools as well, but not a fully autonomous agent. Yeah. Claude Code, yeah. On some Claude Code instances, right? It's Claude Code is able to run on cloud. And when you run on cloud, you can actually let it do some tasks in the background. So that's where it can be actually display the agentic behavior by running things in the background for you, even when your computer is turned off. Yeah, so that's Cloud Code. But Cloud Code usually is for people who are more technical, for people who are doing more coding kind of stuff. Yeah. Of course, you can also use Cloud Code for other things. Yeah. But usually you like to do it in the front end using Claude itself. Okay, Claude via MCP. So Claude with the tools connected. So that's where it can get closer to the agentic territory. So depending on how you set up the whole workflow. Okay. I've actually shown you quite a lot of examples in my previous teaching. So that's how we can be able to get Claude to be an AI agent, to be agentic. So Cloud Cowork is fully agentic. It has scheduled tasks, autonomous execution via the scheduled task, right? And it runs while they're doing something else. But there's one caveat which is where you have to turn on your computer. Okay. Because it runs on your computer. So you need to turn on your computer. But the model isn't the agent. The harness is. It matters because students often think agent means a more powerful AI. It's still the same AI. So like Manus, right? I believe it is using ChatGPT. Although they never say, they never say which AI they are using. But Manus itself, it is not the LLM. They are using a LLM which they never review over here. So this is more like a casing. imagine your AI, right? Let's say, for example, your GPT. GPT itself is your AI, your engine. Let's say it is an engine, and then we want to wrap with something else. So Chat GPT is your car, the external, okay, is a car. Then the GPT inside the AI model, that is your engine. Yeah, so that's what we say. So whether your car run fast or not, it also depends on the harness as well, right? And also the engine. So both are equally important. Okay, I've ended my, or let's see. Okay, task completed. So this is the 5 suggested posts. Okay, detailed content. Wow. Based on analysis of top Instagram accounts in AI for business and productivity niche, here are 5 suggested posts, including visuals, captions presented in a table format. Okay, 5 AI tools for business productivity. ChatGPT, Grammarly Go, Notion AI, Tomi AI, Zapier AI. Okay, and give you the caption as well. All right. So this is, okay. If it's carousel post, but it gave me only one. So funny. Okay, single post. Okay, carousel post. This one looks like an ad, like advertisement. AI for solopreneurs. AI content creation. Right. Uh, I don't think that's the best. Yeah, because I might want to tweak it more. Yeah, and ask it to give me the top my top 5 competitor and look at their top 5 viral content. Yeah, because with that, then I can have a more informed decision. Because right now it's deciding on my behalf. Right? Can you see that? I asked for my top 5 competitors and suggestion for the content and just generate everything for me. Yeah. This is more salesy, I think. Yeah, but also because I did not give it more context into what is my objective of my IG post. Is it I want them to engage? Is it that I want them to sign up for some form of courses? Yeah. Okay, AI powered marketing strategies. Okay. So nowadays, right, if you can see, right, the AI image generation, they are able to generate text perfectly. So there's very minimal errors that you can see over here. I think no errors. The spelling, everything all correct. Okay. And you are able to download everything. Oh, okay. Nice. All right. Thank you so much. Now let's go to our hot seat. So today we have Eric. Is Eric here?
Yes, I'm here.
Eric, you have something. for me, which is lovable related,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Alaric, Coach Alaric asked me to ask you to use Lovable
Yeah.
because I have a website where I have 20 questions or 100 questions to put onto my website.
Mm.
So I never used Lovable before. Perhaps you can go through the steps and I'll do it myself.
100 questions.
There's two. 20 questions is free, but
Ah,
100 questions is a paid version.
what does it do? Is it like
It's an analysis of a personality analysis report.
okay, personality analysis report, huh? Okay,
Yeah,
I just show you some example, right? I don't exactly have your
yeah,
questions, but then I can just ask it to build something similar. Yeah. Okay, just hang on for a moment. Okay, now let's go to, if you see it, can you see my screen, right? Okay, now let's go to
yes.
okay, lovable.dev, DEV.
Dev.
Hmm. Okay, I share my link, right? You get extra 10 credits.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, you're welcome. Okay. Build me a website that onboards uh build me a personal analysis website that onboards a user to find out about their maybe whatever. I just
Personality profile.
personality profile uh, by asking 20 questions.
By answering, they will have to answer my 20 questions. My 20 questions will be on the site itself. So they can choose between a free version and a paid version. Free version is 20 questions. Paid version is 100 questions, which is more detailed.
Then 100 questions, paid version with a detailed, and that my prompt might not be the best because I'm not doing your real thing here.
Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. With a detailed analysis report at the end of the questionnaire, the submitted questionnaire,
Okay.
submitted questionnaire.
After the end of the 20 questions, you will provide a brief personality analysis and then upsell the user
Yeah.
to the 100 questions uh, paid plan. Paid plan. The paid plan is at maybe $400 one time
Uh,
with
$100,
50 pager report.
50 pages.
好笑 ah, never
Okay,
mind.
okay.
Yeah, 50 pager. Yeah. Okay, what
Yeah,
else? Then
that's
make
beautiful.
website
Make the,
mobile friendly uh,
yes.
in in light tones, not dark theme.
Mm,
Uh, because I need to think of the user. Who are the users?
yeah,
So if the users are much more senior, then if I make everything black and white like a very tech company, then
yeah. Very hard for them to see.
yeah. And bigger text sizes. So it can be seen on a mobile screen easily without any struggles. Give me the best onboarding experience. Okay. So this might not be the best prompt, yeah. You can just prompt it using
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
plain English. Yeah. Because nowadays
And
all software they are very smart already. And if you have any reference, you can always add reference,
mm,
right? So you can add
right.
files. Yeah, you can add reference from here, like let's say your competitor, or you can even just give it a link. Yeah, if you like certain website, the link, right? You just throw in the link and then they will just
Mm,
refer to that. Yeah, so this is how smart the AI tools nowadays have been. Yeah, so last time you say, oh, help me look at my competitor and help me um copy. Yeah, then they won't understand what you're talking about.
yes.
Yeah. So I make this very simple. Like the onboarding flow is when you go to the website, right? Then you can answer
Mm,
these questions, answer. Then you see a simple, brief personality analysis, and then after that, then they ask you to pay. Yeah.
right.
And because I did not give them my questions, so it will just figure out questions. Yeah, try to invent the questions on its own. Hmm. So the other thing would be to hook up your Stripe.
Yes.
Yeah, because if you are requesting for payment, right? Wise,
Mm,
then you need your Stripe. Yeah. So
mm,
that's where you can first create your own Stripe account first, and then just
okay.
follow the instructions. Yeah.
Okay.
So later part, I connect this. Let me see if there's a Stripe connector. Yeah. So there's a Stripe connector. So you can hook up your Stripe.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
Create your own account first. Then once you have your own account, then you go to plus,
Mm,
go to connectors, manage connectors,
okay. Mm,
and connect to Stripe. Yeah.
mm,
And then you can set up your payments. Yeah. So after that, right, it's as simple as telling Lovable, say, help me set up the payment page via Stripe. My Stripe is already connected. Something like that.
mm. Thank you.
Then you'll give you step-by-step instructions on how what to do. Yeah.
So you can literally talk to Lovable.
Yeah.
Oh,
No
I
need
never
any
used
coding.
it before.
Just use plain English. Yeah.
Okay.
If you are
Okay.
lazy to type, you can use the microphone button, you see, enable voice
Yeah,
mode.
yeah, yeah. That's right. ChatGPT. Yeah. Okay.
Just chat. Yeah. It will give you certain free credits until it reaches a amount, then you need to pay lah. But I think it's
Mm.
only also $20 USD, if I'm not wrong. Let me see.
Manus can do this as well.
Manus cannot hook up. I don't think it can hook up to your
Hook up,
Stripe.
huh?
Hmm. $25 per month.
Okay.
Ah. Because if you are building something like this, what we call a web application. Because right now
Mm.
you're not just building a simple one pager landing page. If you're building
Yeah.
a one pager landing page, right, then you're saying, okay, you can use Manus easily, right? Because one shot it can help you to build and then it can just help you to host. But right now, because you have your front end and your back end is where your Stripe payment gateway,
Mm.
and then you also have this report engine, which is generating the reports at the background on your
Yeah.
behalf. So there's a front end and also a back end. So with that, right, in mind, you need something which is more advanced, which is like Lovable.
Mm.
Mm.
I thought Manus is more advanced than Lovable.
You can try. You can try.
Mm.
Okay, so now the landing page, the quiz, progress bar, the results, uh, upgrade. Okay, since payment are not enabled yet, so then once it's you're ready to take $400 payments, say the word, and I'll set up Lovable payments, Stripe, and wire
Mm.
up the
Mm.
back end, which is the 100 question flow plus the PDF report generation. Mm. Okay, 4 minute self-discovery quiz, beginner free quiz. Okay. Okay. Uh,
Okay.
yeah, something like that lah. You can slowly you
Yeah.
can play, and I think this is
Understood.
mobile friendly because I explicitly asked it for see it. Oh, so this is mobile size for bigger, yeah, big text, so big buttons. So it's easy when you want to just tap 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 on your screen, right? Because nowadays people are accessing websites from mobile. Mm.
Mm.
Okay. All right, so that's lovable for you. So once you're done, right? Then you just say implement Stripe checkout. So I can accept. Okay. So it has a shortcut. You just need to click the button.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what comes up. Last time I still got to wire up. I need to find the Stripe secret key. Need to find the Stripe web
Mm.
secret and everything else. Yeah. It was super painful. But now I think it should be easier. Want me to enable
Mm.
Lovable Cloud now and proceed. Yes.
Okay. That's great.
Enable Lovable Cloud. Derek says Lovable Cloud is Superbase. Superbase is the database, is the your backend database. If let's say
Yeah.
you have login, right? You have user accounts, then you need to have a database. And if you are taking in payments, yeah. So if you're taking in payments, then your your customers need to have a account, right, to log in.
Mm.
Mm. Okay, showing error. Because it's not completed yet. Ah, okay. Paid plans. Okay, I knew it. Yeah, you need to pay, right?
Mm.
First
Mm.
payment. Yeah, you need to pay. Then after that, then they can hook you up lah. Yeah,
Okay.
or I can share. can still use chat directly with your own API keys. Yeah, so if you're using your own API key, so that's where it's more technical. It's
Claude can combine with Lovable.
hmm?
Claude can combine with Lovable to set it up.
Claude combined with Lovable to set it up. I think you can.
Hmm. Take hold of the my browser.
Yeah, yeah, lah, take hold of your control your browser. That's what I like to do.
Never tried that before.
Yeah. It works on a paid plan. If you're on a paid plan for Claude,
Yeah,
right? Then
yeah,
it'll work.
no problem.
I know.
I try that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So if you want to build with Claude, right, you can do it with Claude as well. But Lovable, it gives you this very friendly, user-friendly
Yeah, yeah.
interface.
It's like very lovable.
Very lovable. Yeah. Okay. So you can use Lovable, and then you can just let me know if you have any
Okay,
questions, if you encounter any problems.
okay, coach.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. I think we're
Uh,
yeah,
the
only
the
simplest
link to
payment.
contact you is the link to contact you is inside WhatsApp.
You just use WhatsApp, go to the group chat.
Okay,
Yeah.
can.
So I
Thank
think
you
you
so
just
much.
let me know in the group chat. Yeah. Then we'll try
Will do.
to all our coaches will try our best to
Thank
help
you.
you in the group chat as well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, I have Elizabeth.
Hello, hello. I
Hello.
just
Hi,
hi.
Elizabeth.
Hi, just a very easy and quick question, but okay,
Yeah.
so I have this website by Gamma, and then I wanted to do
Gamma web.
Gamma. Yeah, I can give you the link. You can have a look. I just wanted to create a subdomain. Okay, maybe I just give you the website first, yeah.
Hmm.
Quick, just send the link over. Okay. Copy to. Oh, I should send to you. I sent the group chat. Okay. So I have this website called Learn to Side Hustle.
Okay.
Okay. So I just wanted to have a PDF that's like guide.learntosidehustle.com.
Okay.
I have the PDF ready already. Maybe I can just drop, but I do not know how to create the guide.learntosidehustle.com or learntosidehustle.com/guide.
Where did you build this website?
I built this on Gamma, then I linked it with the Namecheap.
You linked it with?
And Namecheap hosting. So I've contacted Namecheap.
Oh,
Okay. I've contacted them talking for hours and hours, and then they said they can. I've tried many ways. I'm like, I'm giving up. I mean, I don't know. I even contact them. They say, oh, I should contact the hosting. I said the hosting is with you. So they said, and they passed me around with all these live agents that they have. I talked to them for like almost, I think, 3 hours. It didn't get solved. So
wow.
I have no idea. I think I could drop into like a folder for people, I mean, of course, the easiest way is to drop into a Google Drive and all. But I mean, I would love, like, I mean, my best is would love to have that guide dot something, right? .com or /guide. All right, instead of going to the Google to so that is let me drop the PDF and then you see, I don't know what are the steps. They say inside Namecheap I could do a folder as well, but I don't know how is that. Yeah.
I'll need you to go to log into Namecheap.
Okay, so let me just share screen, yeah, and then you can guide me. I'm stuck there at the advanced DNS and
Okay.
let me just share. Yeah. Now, okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Is the name, yeah, the namecheap.com. So I'm stuck here, DNS. Then they asked me to actually create a new record. And I have no idea what all this is. And yeah.
Sorry, I think my internet connection is a bit not very stable. I'm sorry, you're saying that you want your subdomain to be PDF dot
No, guide. Okay, let me
guide.
just type it in. It's just guide, Guide. And dot, the website, right? Learn to site hustle.com.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can. So what happens when I go to guide.learn-to-side-hustle.com?
Okay, then you will see this. Can you still see my screen?
Yeah.
Can, right? I mean, okay, I'm going to show you the gamma, and then you can see. I will probably link to this web page that it has already been done. So instead of a PDF, I also have prepared this. Yeah, this one,
Oh,
this thing.
so this is the one that you want it to point to guide,
Yes,
right?
yes. Okay, yeah. I will just maybe share a link and see how. Actually, I try, even they say the guide do, but when I go to this domain, right, guide to learn to site hustle.com is like they said site not secure as a blank page. So I don't know. Where should I go now? Get the link. Where should I get the link? Yesterday I could see. Where do I get the link? Is it a link here? No, it's not this link. Do you
It's
need the
not.
link? Okay, let me see here. Oh, you see over here, right? View site, they already have put guide to.
Yeah.
I tried, but I think something is wrong somewhere. The server is something wrong.
Okay, let me try on my end, right? I'll see.
Okay, or maybe I should just delete this first. If not, it's creating all this. How do I? Okay, let me see. Publish current page. Let me see. Maybe I should just delete this first. Delete domain. Okay, so now this is the site, right? Copy link. How do I send to you now? Okay, let me see. So this is the guide. Okay, let me see. Share again. Yeah.
Yeah. I can't see anything.
I can't see anything. What would you like to see? The gamma?
Yeah, the web page.
I sent the link in the Zoom. Are you able to open the link?
Wait, let me try.
Yeah.
No, I can't see anything.
Can't see anything.
This space is full of potential.
Hmm? This page
Yeah.
is full of potential. I
Yeah.
thought for a long time I cracked the code finally. Okay. Took me a while to crack this code and to buy this domain that I love so much. Okay, I don't know what to write now. Okay, oh, maybe I should publish. Okay, let me see. I publish again. Uh, okay. You see, I'm stuck somewhere because I went to. Oh, this space is full of potential. So I don't know
Yeah.
what should I do.
I think did you unpublish it?
I did. Okay,
Oh,
so okay, if I were to share, okay, now I share, right? I don't know. Anyone with the link, see you can view. So copy share link. Okay, I copy one more time. I put inside the Zoom. You see whether you can. Maybe this one is better. Oh, this space is full of that potential. Okay.
okay, it's loading. Do you have your
Hmm?
Gamma? Is it like a free plan or paid plan?
Paid plan.
Paid plan, huh?
The
Okay.
paid plan. Yeah.
So if it's a paid plan, then I think it can be able to do the custom domain.
Because I already linked because now I have two, right? I mean, the Learn to Side Hustle is a like a site.
Mm,
Um, so I just wanted to do a guide. So for example, if I do a social media posting, people can like, comment guide and then go to this to see the guide.
mm,
Yeah. I mean, I don't know whether is it necessary or I mean just send in a PDF and then I will solve all this problem. But
mm.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. Can you share your screen again?
okay. Um, what would you like to see? The gamma?
Yeah, Gamma.
Okay. If you see this, right, I already linked to the learn2sidehustle.com. So if
Uh-huh.
now you do a search, right, you just do a search of www.learn2sidehustle.com, you already see the website.
Yes.
It's already there. Yeah. I just wanted to create a subdomain called the like guide.sidehustle.com as a
Mm,
guide. It just, I don't know whether it's necessary, but yeah, just so that maybe, if I do this subdomain, I can do many things in the future, like,
yeah, understand.
yeah. So I tried to link, I do not know, yeah, what is holding
Okay.
back.
Uh, Need to look into the. Just gonna hang on there. Let me check. Can you go to your learn to sidehustle.com? Then there's just three dots.
Okay, here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, no, not here. How do you configure your
How do you connect to it,
yeah,
domain?
connect your domain?
Okay.
Mm.
So I connect by this one, right? Opening up this, I go to this, then I went to wait, where did I go?
Site
I
setting?
went, no, it's not. Which setting?
Site
No,
settings?
where is that? Yeah, yeah. Okay. So I went here, then I
Settings.
went to connect. You see,
Ah,
then it just connected. It's learn2sidehustle.com.
okay.
Yeah.
So now you want to connect your to the other side to
I just want to create a subdomain
yeah.
called guide.learn2sidehustle.com.
Okay. Can we go through? Can we use the other web?
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Mm, okay. Mm. And then let me
This is
see.
the same one.
Is it the same one? Oh, okay. Okay. This one. So I tried using the same way. I went to this. Then I actually went to connect and I made my own one, right? You know, for example, like guide.learn to sidehustle.com. I mean,
Mm-hmm. Then you press connect.
yeah, hustle.com. Okay, that's what I did.
Yeah.
And then I press connect. And then they say automatic setup.
Okay, but then automatic setup doesn't work, right?
Yeah, and then somehow they do when and then they do their own DNS and
Okay, then you
website
use
setup.
a manual setup.
Okay, I do manual setup. Yeah. Oh, so should I
Yeah.
just
Yes.
type
Use
this? Ah,
in your name chip.
name chip. Ah, okay, let me see.
Okay.
Where is it? Oops. Oh, where is it now? Oh, where am I stuck? Oh, yeah, okay. Let me take a picture.
Yeah.
The, oh, it's not clear. Sites. Oh, you can't see. C name.
See name
Site.
record. Hmm.
Okay, C name. Okay, so I should go back. What should I put? C name record,
Name
right?
record.
Then over here I put guy.
Host is guide.
Yeah, the host is guy, and then this one is the same, right? Sites dot gamma app,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
This one automatic.
Yeah, automatic or you put 5 minutes okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
what is it? What is TTL?
This is the time to live.
Oh,
Yeah. So usually I'll just put automatic, then after that it will just run by its own.
so should I put automatic?
Can you try? Put automatic. Yeah.
I just stick
Hmm. Then after
down.
that you take a okay.
Fail to save record. Try again.
Let me see what's wrong. Uh,
Yeah.
name guide.
Let me see again. What did you ask us to do? See, add a C name record pointing guide to sites gamma dot app. Right. Sites dot gamma dot app.
With a dot behind the app.
Oh,
You try.
no. Fail
No.
to save.
See name record.
C name record. Let's see again. C name record guide to sites dot gamma dot app. C name. Okay. Mhm.
Okay. URL direct record.
I'm just trying something else.
Oh.
Since it got stuck. You see this one okay? You see? Save changes. It's safe now.
This one, right, will just redirect to your main
Will it
website.
redirect there? Or you will redirect to the website. It will not create a guide. Will it create a guide?
No,
No. Ah.
no, you won't create a guide.
Oh, okay. So I delete it, cancel. So I'm stuck here for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah, for a long, long time. Talk to them. No one can solve this problem.
Wait, let me ask my AI.
Okay. Don't come here. Might be.
So this is advanced DNS, right? Section.
Yeah, it is advanced DNS, correct.
Yes. Okay. Okay, the AI says CNAME record, yes, and then host is guide.
Okay.
Okay, and then sites dot gamma dot app.
Sites dot app. Yep.
Okay, then automatic and okay,
Okay.
save. Yeah. Hey,
It's
what's
good
not
to
up?
say. Yeah.
Hmm,
Mm.
strange.
Thought it's strange, right?
So this A record, right? You had two A records over there. Was it
Yes.
Gamma told you to point to?
No, it was automatic. I didn't do anything to it.
Ah, okay. Wait, name
Mm.
rejecting the new guide because whole set of changes want to save. To A record, use the green save all changes. Keep the validation. That's great.
What is a record? What is a record?
I'm not too sure about A record as well.
Okay. I don't know what is that. So
Yeah.
What is inside the domain? Actually, I learned WordPress before.
Because she is building on Gamma itself. Yeah.
Oh, I mean she can see what is the domain option there because I learned WordPress before. So I know how to do website the old-fashioned way. So this one is the AI because I learned WordPress before. I
Mm,
know what she means. She want the subdomain.
yeah. Yeah. So now we are in the name chip, which is domain, and then we are trying to get the subdomain to point to sites.gamma.app, right? But it seems that it cannot point.
Yeah, she want the subdomain, correct? And
Yeah,
because it's
I
like
know
a
she wants subdomain. So
correct
just that
because
right now you can't be able to point to the subdomain by the CNAME. Yeah.
so yeah. But what is the domain? She can see the domain, right? What is the option there? Like
hmm?
you can press the domain, see what you can get. There's
Oh,
a
this
one
one. Or is it my dashboard?
in the middle, the domain.
Oh, this one. Okay, that's not the one.
Just now we saw a domain, right? The big words in the middle. Because I want to see name chip domain.
This one.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. What can you get here?
Oh, nothing. It's just the domain, list of domains. Yep. The
You see whether you can do a subdomain.
mm,
I mean, since we are like how to say cracking our brain.
yeah, thanks.
Okay.
But
Yes.
yeah.
Any option for you to do the how about this one? Any option for you to do the subdomain here?
No. That's
Yeah.
why they even the live chat asked me to go to advanced DNS.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
So did the live chat tell you how to link to the subdomain?
They did, but it didn't happen. That's why I told you. I've been talking to you for 3 hours. I said, don't later I call again. I have to repeat my story.
that's
Mm.
there's a one small arrow on top learn to side hustle.com. You see what you get. You know, there's one triangle. You press and see what you get.
Triangle. Which triangle?
On top, there's a learn to side hustle, right? There's one small triangle.
Oh, here, you mean?
You press, see what you get.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Or maybe should I go to this one? I don't know. Okay, let's see. You know,
One CNS.
but you see this now, this is nothing here. Should I add here? What's the difference between how come I have two here? Does it make a lot of, does it make difference?
Any difference? Yeah.
Subdomain is behind like one slash, one oblique, and then there's something.
Or maybe I go this one. Will it help add new record? Now I add here. So I don't know. Will it help? I don't know. Like see, what was it? Sites dot gamma dot add, right? Okay, let's. Hey, this one came up. Now I can save changes.
Okay.
Okay, at least
Right.
okay.
You try.
Okay. So now what should I do?
Then you go back.
Then go back to gamma. Was that? So I
Yeah.
put finish the
Finish and confirm.
okay. And then so should I put here? Like here?
It's verifying
Here?
already.
Oh, it's verifying?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That okay. Now by tomorrow you will see my update in the group chat. Thanks, Mandy, and thanks, Brandon. Tomorrow I will update. Okay.
Let
To
me
learn
know.
also. Good to
Yeah.
Thank
learn.
you so much. Thanks. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. And then we have one more. Amanda, are you here?
Oh, by the way, Brandon, what did you use for your presentation earlier on? Because you have that like, you click onto the triangle arrow and then it just come out again.
Oh, I just use Notion.
Oh, is it easy to use?
So
Oh,
Notion is like a document, like Evernote. So like a note taker.
oh. So
Yeah.
it's like an AI, it doesn't churn out the information, the presentation.
I just type on there, and then I think because presentation is quite clunky.
Okay.
So because my style of teaching is a lot of demo, so I don't need you to don't need to show a lot of slides.
Okay.
So to
So
me,
the,
text is just enough, and then after that, then I'll just explain with my demonstration.
so those texts were typed in by you. They just
I type some, and then after that, no, that means I use AI to generate, and then I edit.
and then edit, then you put it into this Notion.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thanks.
In fact, is I actually connected my Notion to Claude. So after that, it just populate everything for me. Yeah. Okay, I think Amanda is not here. I think she went to sleep already. Okay, any more last questions before we leave?
Oh, Brandon, I want to ask you, you
Yes.
use Claude, since you'll be using Claude, so is it safe to ask the Claude to control your laptop, to do setup? Is it
Do what kind of setup?
like the many chat, the many chat?
Sure. Kingsley also use Claude to set up his ManyChat.
Yeah, I'm wondering, is it safe or not? Because like if you have any wallet information inside, then will they like accidentally spill out the information?
Right. So one thing you can do, right, is that you can use incognito, right? So incognito, that means it does not have, it's private, right? It has nothing. Or you can actually set up a new profile. If let's say you're um using Chrome. So you know Chrome, right? You can set up an empty profile. So when you set up empty profile, that means it does not have your all your passwords or whatever kind of things, your logins, your history.
Oh, okay.
So use a new profile just to do automated things on your browser.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
Understand. So yeah, then I think better don't put all the wallet information inside the laptop. Don't put too much information inside to
Yeah,
place
create a new Chrome profile lah, or use incognito. Or you can use other browsers as well.
other browser.
Yes, yes. That means
Oh,
because I'm using
Firefox. Now still have Firefox or not?
Firefox, I think have lah, but I'm not using Firefox. Yeah. The thing is you need to connect, you can only connect your Claude to
Oh,
Chrome. But you can also use other kind of Chrome wrappers because Chrome, right, is using the code called Chromium. Yeah.
ah,
So a few websites, a few no web browsers they are built on Chromium.
ah,
Yeah. Like Comet is built on Chromium.
okay.
Mm. Yeah. Or you can use browser OS and or you can just Google for some other alternatives.
All right.
Some other browsers, and then you can just connect your cloud to that lah.
One
Mm.
more last question. Are you using Mac?
Yes, I'm using Mac.
Okay, because recently this one is a small question. Recently I cannot screenshot. Do you have any idea what happened? Mac.
Can't screenshot.
I used to be able to do it, but
Oh,
yeah, I don't know why recently cannot screenshot. Do you have this experience?
no leh.
No. Yeah, this one very surprising. Maybe I need to Google around because
Shift command number four.
yeah. Shift
Yeah,
command 4, right?
yeah, shift command
Then
four.
after that, I used to be able to screenshot, but recently cannot. Don't know what happened. So I thought you have this experience. So
No leh.
you're
Okay
not
leh.
using that, then cannot already. Okay.
I don't have any problem with that. Yeah.
Actually, Mac
Try
is
shift
not
command
easy.
three.
Shift command. No. Actually, Mac is not easy to use because I want to learn both lah. I want to learn both the normal laptop and the Mac one. So, but
Mm.
I feel like Mac is not easy. It's not easy.
Yeah.
Me,
Initially,
to me, to you maybe it's nothing. To
no.
me,
It took me some time to learn as well.
yeah, correct. Because yeah, I still prefer the another type. What is that? Another type is
Win
Lenovo, that kind of
Windows.
style one. That one is easier. Yeah, okay. I think that's all I have already. So
Mm.
it's very late already. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't know it's
No
going to
worries.
be 11. Yeah, I didn't know. Okay. Anyway, thanks for your sharing. Very, very enjoyable to attend your class.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Yeah. So y'all can just leave me a review in Podia. So once I put out the recording, you can just comment below. If you like my teaching, then just you can let Alaric know or just let the whole just put in the group chat lah. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Okay.
Thanks everyone. Thank you. Oh, Jaina said AI can truly help to save so much time in processes. Flow, you should all live, yeah, a better lifestyle. So when AI can help us to lead a better life, right? And that's where you are thinking, okay, so what can we do with the excess time? Do more things or spend more time with family or do things that you like. Yeah. So it's all up to you. Do more other things. Earn more money. All right. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Yes. Spend more time with family. Correct. Thank you. Good night, everyone.